Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2019 to 2023 Hyundai Sonata key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need to pick one up, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can get one. So to swap out this key fob, we will be using a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we're going to do is flip it over and press this button on the back to release the physical key. And once we remove the physical key, if you look on the left hand side of the key fob, there's a little ledge where we can stick our flathead screwdriver under, and if we just gently pry up, it will pop off this back plate, which we can then remove, which will expose our battery. Now with our battery exposed, we will take our screwdriver and we'll gently press from the back side of this housing just to press out the battery just far enough that we can slide it out. And we'll get rid of our old battery, swap it out with our new one with the positive side facing up, slide it back into the housing, make sure it's seated in there correctly, and then we can grab our back plate and replace it, snapping it all around to make sure it's all fitting correctly. And then once it is, we can take our physical key and replace it. And if we want to test our key fob, we can press one of the buttons, which will show the light flickering at the top, letting us know that our battery was installed correctly. So hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.